Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and hope you guys are all doing good. And yes, I'm recording this with the same dress again because I just wanted to finish 2 videos today. So I thought like this was looking okay, so I thought okay, I'll just continue with the same outfit. So I just wanted to do an unboxing, so I thought okay, it's fine, like few minutes. So this is, I want to show you guys the unboxing of, I'm trying to see where, if there's address anywhere here. Okay, this side, okay, Juice Beauty. So this is the unboxing of Juice Beauty, the organic solution. So it's a organic brand, and I think it is run by Gwyneth Paltrow, if I'm saying it right. I may not be saying that the actress, I may not be saying her name right, but she is kind of behind this brand. I don't know if she is the founder, co-founder or what, but she's behind this brand. So I have tried their lip balm, I like that, and then I've tried their powder, which by chance I tried it actually at Ulta, and I had like fallen in love with this. So I had showed you guys that it was the refining finishing powder, and I was so scared that they might discontinue it, and they did. So they discontinued that. So after that, now they don't have that refining finishing powder, they don't have that anymore, but they have this phyto line, I think phyto pigment, it's called phyto pigment or phyto, what is it called? I even forgot what it's called. So that line, and what they've done is, in that also they have shades, right? That's the only other one that has shades in it, like the finishing powder had. So the finishing powder had like 3 shades, I think. One was the ivory, and then sand, and then I think tan. So the sand was like perfect for my skin tone. So that was my holy grail, and it felt so good when you put it on, and all the ingredients in it, I don't know, it used to give me very calming effect also, and it would cover everything. Like I just when I put that on, my face would just glow. It would not look dry, no dry feeling that you get from the other powders. So that tint it had for the sand was perfect shade for my skin. So I had got a lot of them like over the years, but then they discontinued that. So now the other phyto line that they have, I think it's called the Phyto Light Diffusing powder or something, and in that also they have the ivory, and then rose something, and then not rose something, I think it is the same, and sand. So they have the same shades, right, same names. So I thought okay, the sand was the one that on the online it looked like okay, that will be my match, because sand was my match. So I got that, but when I received it, it was totally pink, and I don't know why it was pink color, because when you think of sand, you think more of that little bit of that yellow in it, and like the neutral kind of olive color. That's what it was. That's why it suited me, because it was not completely yellow, it was not completely pink, it was in between, it was like a neutral color. So then I sent them an email, and I told that this is not a match, because it was expensive. It was like it is $32, I think, for that powder. The previous powders that I used to get, that was $20, so which was kind of like okay, right? Like a MAC Prep and Prime powder also is like $20, so it's the same amount that's in that, I think. I have the one here. I'm using, like the last one I had purchased, I'm using this sparingly now. I'm not even using it. Like I'm trying to try other powders now and see if I can find a holy grail. But this is my sand, and it still has like some left. And so this was the refining finishing powder. So they don't have this anymore. So when I sent them, they told that they have discontinued that, and they have this light diffusing powder right now. And so I tried it on. So it didn't match my skin tone at all. It looked all pink, and after some time it was kind of making my face look oily. I think because of the shine, it had little more shine, but it felt good on the skin. But I was like, I didn't really want that. So I called them, and they told I could send it back to them, and they will give full refund because I just tried it once, and so it was full. So so I sent that back, and they told me I can keep the samples. So along with that first one, I had got like two samples. I got like two or three, no, two samples, yeah, because they were like giving two samples with every order, like if you go over 30 or something. So I got these two samples. This is like a the Juice Beauty mascara. I don't know, I may not like their beauty products as much, like I'm not like, you know, fan of that, but this one is the mascara, and I tried it. It's just simple everyday mascara, but it's good for your eyes. So, you know, I think like for everyday, like for office or something, I will like to wear something like that, which is like not like too much, but just a natural look. So it's fine. I already tried that. And then it has the Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. I haven't tried this yet. Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. This is also a sample. It's a good size sample, like. So this is how it looks. So this is that stem cellular technology. So this is all that stem cellular technology products. So some before also, when I used to get some samples, I've tried some of their samples. So they all like are a little bit sticky. So that's the only thing I think I don't like, but it's good for your skin. So if you have like any skin issues going on, then it'll still be a good brand to try, because it will help your skin. But for me, because of that sticky feeling, I used to not even feel comfortable if I put it at night. So that's why I didn't go to order anything. Like anything I tried from them, all the stem cell technology ones, like for the neck and face moisturizer and all, they give in like small samples they used to give me with the powder. But yeah, everything had that sticky feeling. So that's the only thing, because at night I want to feel like comfortable. Like oil, I'm okay with that, but if it feels sticky, I won't feel comfortable. So that's why I didn't like get anything in full size and purchase. But I would say it's a good brand though, because it's an organic brand. There's no chemicals in it. I don't know if there's no chemicals in it at all, because I know another brand that I've been using now that has no chemicals at all. But this I'm not completely sure, but I think they don't have any chemicals in them. Do they have preservatives or anything? That's what I'm trying to see. No, this does have some stuff here that's kind of like different, like some other stuff also in the ingredients. So I don't know. So it's kind of a mix, I guess. So I got those two samples, and this is how the mascara looks. Actually pretty simple, like a gray color. And I don't know if they have too many mascaras or just one. Yeah, it just says Juice Beauty Photo Pigment Ultra Natural Mascara, and this is in Ultra Natural Oven Black, the one I have. So I don't know if they have any more of other stuff, but that's the one I got in the samples. And then, so once I sent that back, I went and I thought, okay, let me try their other powder, because I was so desperate. I really wanted to see, because the other powder, which is, because this had different ingredients. The Phyto Light Diffusing one has different ingredients than the refining finishing powder that I used to use before. So then I actually saw on their website also that so many of them, I should have seen those reviews. So many of them had reviews under there saying that the color is not matching them at all. And that's because people who have been using their old product probably were trying to get the same color, but it was not matching them. So if I saw that, I would not have ordered it, but I hadn't seen that. And that was the only powder that had shades. So that's why I thought like probably it'll be similar to that, but it wasn't. So next one, so I think they've made it more like for fairer skin. That's what I felt, because everything is like colors. If you look at it, it looks all like ivory and pinkish and everything. Like I didn't say darker color. So anyway, so and they only have like three shades, I think. Next, this one, I got this. So this box is actually for this one that I got. I just showed you the other samples because they told me that I could just keep the samples, because I asked them like, should I send the samples too? And they were like, okay, no, you can keep the sample, that's fine. So I only sent the product back, which was like, actually I had like, they don't give free shipping, like returns or anything. So I had to spend on returning it. So I spent like $5 returning it back. So basically that $5 went into the samples, you know, if you calculate. So for $5 I have 2 samples there. So anyway, so I got, next I thought let me try this one. This is the Blemish Powder. So this is just one shade, just a new purple. It had less ingredients, I think that's why I liked it. But this has little more. So I'm going to try this Blemish Clearing Powder, but this is just in one shade. There's no like shade with it. But this also, the shade that the only one that they have available, like when you look at it, and I already tried this once, but I really have to like try it for a few days and see, because like I have to use the normal foundation I use and then try it and see. So this also is kind of slightly tinted, if you can see. I don't want to pour the powder out, but it has a little bit of the pink in it again. It doesn't have like the sandy color, but it has a little bit of pink. But I mean, I'm going to try this anyway and see if it helps. So that's what I got. Now with that, I also got 2 samples. So no, I got 3 samples actually with this. And this was, what was this? This was the Peel Full Strength Exfoliant. Green Apple Peel Full Strength. So I really don't know what it is. I need to read the instruction and see what I need to do, but it just says apple peel. Anything that says peel scares me, but it's a green apple peel, so I'm going to try it. So that's what it says. So that is one sample I got. The samples are good sizes, because before, for the $20 I used to get samples like this. They used to always send samples like this, with like that pouch thing, and then you just open and take that cream out a little bit. But this is the first time I got like these kind of samples, big samples. And then they sent this, which is the Blemish Clearing Serum. So maybe they just wanted us to try that. It's in the pouch. I want to try that. And these samples you could select, like they have few samples, so you can select any 2 samples, right? So this is the one I tried, because I had tried before the other stuff. So I wanted to try this one, and then I selected their soap. This is a soap. It's a Green Apple Cleansing Bar. Green Apple Cleansing Bar. Now, I haven't looked at it inside actually. Let me see how the soap looks. Okay, so that's how it just looks. Like a bar of soap. The smell is not that good, but it's, you know, organic. It can't always smell good. They don't have perfume or anything in it, so it'll all smell like that, which is fine. Yeah, cleansing bar, Green Apple Cleansing Bar. So these were the samples. I'm going to try and see. So that's all, guys. I just wanted to share with you guys what I got from Juice Beauty. And I think if this powder does not work, then I don't think I'll be ever ordering anything from Juice Beauty again, because that was the only powder which I always ordered and got refills and everything. So I feel bad that they discontinued that powder, because I see online also that a lot of people had liked that powder. So I have no idea why they discontinued that and got this thing, because that would keep my makeup so good. It would not make my makeup oily whenever I used to wear that. It was good. It was a good mattifying powder, but then it makes your skin look glowy. Because I remember the other day my friend was here and I showed her this one. I tried my sand powder on one side. I just put that, and I put this blemish clearing on one side, and my friend right away, she was like, oh my god, this side looks much healthier. Like, you know, it looked much healthier and glowy than the other side. So I really love this powder, and now I'm like, I have so little like left, and I'm like sparingly using it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video, and take care, be safe out there, and stay healthy. Do everything you can to stay healthy. Bye, guys. Bye.